What started as a tired old tattoo parlour has turned into this. A custom-built, multifunctional creative space designed to flex between a shop, design and photography studio and a print production space. I'm James, and in this video I'll take you on a tour through what we're calling our hybrid studio space. The studio is located here in Newbury, a quiet market town just 45 minutes west from London. I was first inspired by the versatility and opportunity to express the unfiltered craftsmanship that brewery tap rooms hold, and each section of the studio has been carefully considered with the very same foundations. I'll start by taking you to the corner that plays a big part in our day-to-day operations. We wanted a backdrop system that seamlessly integrates into the studio. For us, a backdrop is more than just a canvas, so it was important for us to have a permanently fitted high-quality paper backdrop. With this, we can quickly and easily roll it down and roll it back away for shoots without having to rearrange the place each time. Across the room from here is my desk/shop counter setup and the cupboard where I keep my print press tucked away. When this is set up, it dominates the room and things get pretty messy really quickly, so it's important for me to be able to tuck this away, out of sight and out of mind when it's not being used. Before the COVID pandemic hit, our identity leaned more towards that of a design agency, and this desk setup has remained. Rather than buy new, I decided to upcycle the original desks to make this new counter. I designed it with plenty of storage below to hide things like our packaging and labelling materials while retaining an expansive workspace. Not only does this counter fulfill our practical needs, but it seamlessly integrates into the studio's evolving aesthetic, enhancing the overall harmony of the space too. I think it's important to support other designers, so we've got a few items from our friends in the industry like James Martin, Other Minerals, City Soda Club, Chris Doe, and God is a Designer. And we've now expanded how we collaborate with other artists by introducing the Creator Collabs project, where we've worked with artists like Chris Doe, Deadmau5, and Louis Moss. When it comes to production, we like to have a bunch of blank garments that are always ready to go. This way we can keep our line consistent, so our repeat customers always know they're going to get that high level of quality, and we can know exactly how much stock we've got to work with. When it came to deciding how we were going to hang the garments, I wanted something that could be mobile and move around. So I found some heavy duty hooks, mounted them to the ceiling. I got some nice heavy black chains, which I really like how the light bounces off these, and then simply mounted them to curtain rails that I bought from IKEA. It goes without saying that I'm so happy with how this space has evolved. From the moment I put the key in the door, I'm always in the zone and ready to create. And each angle of the studio has a great backdrop for making content, which really helps. As always, we're really busy behind the scenes with what we're working on next, and we've got some really exciting stuff in the new year. So feel free to subscribe if you'd like to follow along. If you're interested in the journey from where we got to today, then we've got some other stuff on our YouTube channel which goes into a bit more detail. And with that all done, it's time to get back to it.